My dear student, second unit is hope and aspirations. Now this unit has got further subunits. I have a dream, then I dream a word. This is poem. After that, grammar portion is, that is pronouns as well as relative pronouns. Now, in order to attempt the multiple choice question, you are supposed to go through thoroughly from this hope chapter or unit, that is hope and aspiration. Hope means expect, and so far aspiration is concerned, it is your ambitions or desires. Now, then you are going to study thoroughly. I have a dream, text of that, and poem is also be studied by you. I dream a word. Then, after studying the text of these two subunits, that is, I have a dream and I dream a word poem, then you can attempt the question. So far, the grammar portion is concerned, we have got pronouns and relative pronoun. Pronoun is defined grammatically in English grammar that a word which is used for the noun. For example, Aslam gets up early in the morning and then he goes to the mosque in order to offer prayer. This he is a pronoun which is used for the noun, Aslam. So remember that so far the pronoun definition of the pronoun is concerned, pronoun is that word which is used for the noun. And this pronoun has got further three, that is first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. I and we have got the first pronoun, then you and you is second person pronoun, that he, she, it and that they are the third person pronoun. So far the myself, yourself, ourself, we, then themselves, himself, herself, itself, these are also pronouns also. These are called as reflexive pronouns. So, after studying grammatical portion, you will be aware of the different states of the, that we have got first of all subjective state, then we have got possessive state, and after that we have got the objective. For example, I is subjective state, and so far the my is concerned, that is possessive state, and me is your objective. Similarly, we is subjective, our is your possessive, and us is your subjective. Then we have got you, subjective state of the pronoun, your, that is possessive, and you, that is also objective. He is subjective state, his is your possessive state, and him is your objective state. That we have got it, subjective state, its possessive state, and it is objective state. Then after that we have got they, subjective state, then their is possessive state, and them is the objective states. Well, gentlemen, the next unit is duty and responsibility. It has got further subunits, that is determination. Second is it could not be done. This is a poem. Then it has got portion of grammar, that is adjective, adjective phrases and adjective clauses. Now, whenever you are going to attempt any multiple choice question, because it has got four portions, that is A, B, C and D, thoroughly study of this unit is very important. First of all, you should know the difference between duty and responsibility. Then after that, you should know what is determination. Determination means that if you have got a firm intention to do a job, as a student, this is your determination that you should obtain or score good marks in the examination. How you can get if you are going to study? You have got one of the mottos available. One is your mission is, as a student, is that get through the examination and try to get good marks, first division in the examination. This is your determination. So far the poem is concerned, it could not be done. The poet has expressed his views regarding impossibility of a thing, that cannot be done at all. So you have to study that what are the views of that poet. So according to that, try to attempt the question. Because you have to be very careful whenever you are going to attempt any multiple choice question. It is your not own decision, but decision should be according to the text. You are going to attempt the question in the light of the textbooks. Adjectives. Adjective mean that you are going to praise a person, good quality of a person, or if it has got bad quality, that is to be addressed. As we have got good, then we have got bad also. So it has got 3 degrees are available: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. For example, tall, taller, tallest; big, bigger, biggest; small, smaller, smallest. So positive degree small, smaller is comparative degree, and smallest is your superlative degree. Then we have got so far good, better, best. Good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is superlative degree. Similarly, we have got bad, worst, and worst. Bad is positive degree, worst is comparative degree, and worst is the superlative degree. Then we have got adjective phrases and adjective clauses. Regarding phrases, I have already given you what is phrase. Phrase is a group of words which does not give complete sense. But clause is directly proportional to the number of verbs in a sentence. If you got 3 sentences, 3 words, and similarly that has got 3 clauses also.